Hi guys, welcome to the Mr. Ross official. Why is a USA policeman sitting at the bottom of the ocean with skeleton inside? Wait, what is a USA policeman doing at the bottom of the ocean? And why are the skeleton inside? Four brave swimmers dive deep to uncover the mystery, but what they find is shocking. Watch till the end to see how the rescue clean and give this forgotten policeman a brand new purpose.
They knew this was no ordinary abandoned vehicle. But the driver's seat wasn't the only place hiding a secret. They decided the van had to be brought back to shore safely. And in the back, they discovered another skeleton, still wearing handcuffs. The rescue would not be easy. Every strap had to be placed carefully. Finally, everything was ready. The forgotten police van was finally coming back to the surface. But they still had to bring it safely to shore. After years underwater, daylight finally touched the van again. And now came the hardest part. Now the real rescue could begin. First, they had to remove years of dirt. The first blast revealed just how much dirt was hiding underneath.
Slowly, the glass began to appear.
Every panel needed patience.
The rear doors were even worse. Nothing was left untouched.
Even the wheels were buried under years of grime.
For the first time, the old police van started looking recognizable.
But the roof was still covered in marine buildup.
Layer by layer, the ocean was being washed away.
Layer by layer, the ocean was being washed away.
The first rinse was only the beginning. Every inch was covered.
Even the rear compartment received a deep clean.
The wheels were next. For a few moments, they let the shampoo do the hard work. For a few moments, they let the shampoo do the hard work.
You could actually see the dirt leaving the paint. Then came the careful hand wash. Every panel was treated like it mattered. The roof finally started showing its original surface. The back was slowly coming back to life.
The smallest details were getting attention, too. Now it was time to wash the foam away.
And suddenly, the original paint appeared.
The windshield was finally clear again. The old police markings were finally visible.
Years of dirt disappeared into the drain.
For the first time, they could see the vehicle's true condition. The wheels were almost ready, too.
After the rinse came the careful drying.
They wanted every surface completely dry.
The old van was beginning to look like a police vehicle again.
What once looked lost was finally coming back to life.
The windshield was finally clear again.
The old police markings were finally visible.
Years of dirt disappeared into the drain. For the first time, they could see the vehicle's true condition.
The wheels were almost ready, too.
They wanted every surface completely dry. The old van was beginning to look like a police vehicle again.
What once looked lost was finally coming back to life.
They refused to stop at a simple wash.
The glass was cleaned until it looked crystal clear. Every final detail mattered. The transformation was almost complete.
From ocean grime to a clean finish.
They had done it.
But the girls still had one question. What should happen to it now?
Its next destination was an American school.
They had one final surprise.
The forgotten police van was about to become a gift.
They donated the restored vehicle to the school.
A vehicle that once sat forgotten beneath the sea now had a new mission. Sometimes restoration is about more than making something look new.
It's about giving something forgotten another chance.
From the bottom of the ocean to a place where it could help again.
They found it at the bottom of the sea, rescued it, restored it, and gave it back to America. Would you have done the same?